Hey guys, welcome back to my backyard. I'm going to show you my Char griller. I got a gift certificate from a customer for Home Depot for Christmas, so I really appreciated that. And anyway, I went and I bought this Char griller. I've got a I've got patties of venison in here. Now what I do is I mix ground beef with my ground venison. Usually it's about 50-50, and I add seasoning salt, pepper, a little bit of bacon grease sometimes because it's a really lean ground beef and really lean venison. A little bit of bacon grease, and then some Worcestershire sauce, and mix it all up, patty it out, and put it in my brand new Char griller. I've been using this to cook venison. I've cooked steaks on this. This is a great product. It gets a thumbs up from me. Let me show it to you here. So you got to put the thing together. As you see here, I put the handle on a little wrong, but there are the burgers cooking in there. It's got a side vent here. You can slow down the heat passing through just a little bit here. Down here, over on this side, is where the air comes in. Now, what this is actually an add-on product. Char Grill makes those fire boxes, and this is a fire box, but what they've done is they've created a firebox that you can add to their other grill, or you can buy a kit which comes with this firebox, which makes it its own grill. It's got the legs and the stands and the handle and whatnot. Anyway, it's a great product, and I like it, and I've been cooking a lot of venison on it, and it just stays here on my back porch. When it rains, I take it inside. It's fixing to rain, so we're getting it done early today. So we're going to put cheese on our burgers, and it's a great product. All right, so this is the Char griller. If you're in the market for a grill, go to Home Depot. I got this at Home Depot, and get yourself a Char griller. All right. One more look at those burgers. How's that? Looks pretty good, right? And it doesn't take a whole lot of charcoal to get this thing hot. That's my big complaint about gas grills and in some Weber grills. It takes a lot of charcoal to get it hot enough to cook, and I'm just cooking a couple of hamburgers, so I use enough charcoal just to get it hot, and then I shut it down, and then the charcoals go out, and I can reuse them. So I reuse over and over and over again, adding new ones every time, and helps you don't have to burn up so much charcoal. All right, so that's today's video from my backyard. Get yourself a Char griller, cook you some venison burgers, and we're remembering the deer hunt. Yep, almost. We're remembering the deer hunt. See ya. Bye. What? What? Char griller. Get you some.